The physics of fragile. Why longer impact times save eggs? Ever dropped an egg and watched it splatter instantly? That's because eggs are fragile. The force from a sudden impact overwhelms their structure. But what if we told you that increasing the time of impact could save the egg? Let's dive into the science to find out why. The secret lies in impulse, the product of force and the time it acts. By extending the impact time, the force acting on the egg reduces significantly. Imagine catching an egg gently versus letting it drop onto concrete. The difference: a longer impact time cushions the blow, reducing the braking force. This principle isn't just for eggs. Car airbags stretch out impact time to protect passengers. Athletes bend their knees when landing to reduce strain. These real-life examples prove how physics governs safety and survival in unexpected ways. Want to test this at home? Try catching an egg with bare hands versus a soft cloth. You'll see how the cloth spreads out the impact time, saving the egg. It's both fun and educational. Physics is everywhere. Explore it with us. Like, share, and comment on your own experiments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials that make science engaging and practical.